How to add drop shadow in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Come down to the layers panel and double click on the layer you want to add shadow to. Enable drop shadow, and this will add a shadow to this layer. We can customize this by going through these settings. To begin with, we can change the color of the shadow. I'm going to leave mine as black for this instance. And we can also change the angle of the shadow. So this is where the light is coming from for this shadow. Changing the distance will change how far away the shadow is from the object. Changing the spread will change the intensity of the shadow. And the size affects the softness of the shadow. Play around with the distance, spread and size until you have it exactly how you want it. With that configured, come up to opacity, and then this is where we can change the opacity of our shadow. So if you want a more subtle soft shadow, you can bring this slider all the way down to create that. I'm going to go for around 50-60% for mine. And then once you're happy, you can choose OK. Now, if you want to change the shadow at any point, you can just simply double click on the drop shadow, come back into here, change the settings and then choose OK. And that's all there is to it.